Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog. This is Raisin and Judith at your service. Ano nga ba? Bakit nga ba tayo nandito? Ay, okay! So, someone's having his birthday blast today and we want to greet you mabuhay, President Dan. Happy birthday from our area here in the Bukid. We would like to greet you a very, very happy birthday. Our friendship has gone miles and miles away, but your love, it will always be here in our hearts, and always know that we love you and we miss you, and you only didn't go, you know, your stature, hindi lang talaga siya tumangkad, but also in spirit. Your great example means so much to us. We love you. Ako lang ba magsasalita? Ito na po siya, your best friend.
Baga talagang babae, no? Inuubos ang oras, wala na. 1 minute na, ubos na ang oras ko. Anyway, President, happy birthday. Where we are at now is mostly attributed to where we were back in the days together with you. We're so blessed to be part of your life. And I think one of the greatest memories that we have together is when we were in Yolanda. Remember, we were having fun there, and joining us to render that service has been always part of our memories, and we will always cherish that. So, and a lot more memories that was built up during those days. We extend our appreciation and our friendship to you, President Dan. Happy birthday. Wala ka pa ba nito? Magsuot ka na nito, ha? Eh, malapit na ang imuhang ano. Thank you.
Birthday!
Happy birthday.